guys. I'm just kidding. You can pause out. Welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. Today we are finally getting back on the 2001 Mustang GT Duraflex body kit. I finally have my brother that's going to help me record, and so I don't have to do everything by myself. He's also going to help me put stuff together and help me figure it out, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Today we are going to go ahead and finish the front brackets that go on the side of the car. So right here is two brackets, one that goes on this side and then one on the other side. And then also we're gonna sand down this corner right here because it kind of like messes with the headlight, and I think it also makes a bumper stick up too high. So hopefully we can get this done. We're gonna go ahead and start off by taking off this front bumper and just get it ready, and let's do it.
Like shadows in the atmosphere, trying to stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me, hope for us because I believe. You were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh, you meant the world to me.
Alright guys, so we went ahead and we put the bumper on the stand, and we're just going to go ahead and sand these off to start with. Once it's to my liking, then we will probably just throw it on, see how it looks, and if we have to do any more, then we'll go ahead and sand some more, and then after that we're going to throw on the brackets, drill some holes, get that bad boy in there.
No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Alright guys, we got it pretty dang flat. It started to make a little hole here, so we might have to do some fiberglass repair on it, but if it doesn't show, then I'm not going to worry about it. But it looks pretty good, so we're going to go ahead and slap it on the car, see how it lines up with the headlight. Why, you look pretty. Just come back here more. Just wave.
Hey y'all.
Well, it's
It's gonna have to be over it.
Oh.
Or should we redo that because it was kind of dumb when you were stumbling with it for a while?
No, it'll be funny. We're gonna put all of this in right here.
Yeah, it's going right now.
Alright, so we went ahead and slapped it on. It looks a whole lot better now. This was kind of pushing up the headlight before, so it looked weird because it would also force the body kit down, sticking this out. Everything was just wonky, but it's not even bolted in yet, and the body lines already look a lot better. It's gonna get a lot better once we get all the screws in and the brackets in. You can kind of see that hole there, so I might have to repair that in the future, but as of right now, we're not really worried about that. We're just gonna go ahead and take it back off, see if we can't get those brackets lined up and screw it all in, and then I think the front bumper will be pretty much done after that. So it will just be ready for paint and prep paint. All right, guys. So we went ahead and threw this bracket on and tried to figure out how we were going to screw it onto the bumper, because this here, come over here. Basically, this secures right here, and then this actually secures onto the bumper. The only problem is these holes on the bracket don't quite match up with how short this, I don't know, section of the body kit is. So if I'm gonna do this in the future, I'm gonna have to drill holes up here. But also another problem is trying to figure out where to drill it onto the body kit. So we're not gonna worry about that right now. However, we do have 2 more holes that we gotta put in this front bumper that I forgot about. Basically, these 2 little points that go onto the grill, it sits down in here, and so far when I've been having it out, it just kind of like sticks out like that. So once we drill those holes, it'll sit flush, and then I guess that will just look a little bit better. So we're gonna go ahead and drill those holes and get to it. Alright guys, we went ahead and we drilled out a little bit in front of those holes. Made it fit a little bit better. It's still not quite perfect, but we'll figure that out later. It's getting a little dark, so we're going to go ahead and wrap it up for tonight. We also got plans with our parents to go out and eat, so we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so it is the next day. Today we are going to be putting on the side skirt. I already did the left side, driver's side one. I did it off camera though, just because it was a pain in the butt and I wasn't sure if it was actually going to fit, so I didn't want to just record like basically a failure, but it's okay right now. I think we can make it work. That one's kind of crappy, but I think when we're done with it, it'll look all right. This one is going to be a lot better, I think, and so let's get to it. So before we actually go ahead and throw that on, I wanted to say that I think we found out an idea of what to do with those brackets. We're actually going to use a panel bonding adhesive. I have to order it on Amazon though, so it's going to be a couple of days. So that's why we are going to do the side skirts first. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, we got the side skirt out, so now let's slap on the other one and see how it fits. Alright guys, so from the last time you saw the side skirts, I didn't quite know how they fit on, so it looked really bad in the last video. It is bad, don't get me wrong, but basically this is how it's supposed to go. This is supposed to get flush with inside this door, and then right here is supposed to actually go under this, and it's supposed to line up here, but it's really bad. So last thing is over here. This is just supposed to line up with there. It's a lot of modification required, and you got to use a heat gun, and it's a pain in the butt. But I'm excited to get this done. I want this over with. I want it to look good, and I think we can make it work, but it's gonna take a lot of work, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so basically if you are thinking about getting a body kit and you're going to get a Duraflex body kit, you got to keep in mind a couple things. It's a very cheap body kit, so you're going to have to do some modifications to it. It's not going to be a simple slap on and pretty much just ready to go. You're going to have to most likely heat it up and form it to your car, because every car is a little bit different, number one, and number two, it's an aftermarket company, so you got to understand it's not going to be nowhere near perfect. But if you are going to get one, you can go purchase a heat gun. I think I got this at Home Depot for like 20 bucks maybe. And if you heat these up, you want to do it on the inside. If you do it on the outside, I kind of learned it from the other side, and also I looked up how to use heat guns. If you do it on this side over and over, this finish here will start to bubble up and it'll get kind of weak, I think. So if you do it on this side, you're going to get it a lot stronger, and you're not going to mess up this, which I think is a primer. So just a couple tips if you're thinking about doing this for yourself. Alright guys, so we went ahead and we did a lot of the heating up of the body kit, and it's turning out a little bit better. It's starting to mold a little bit to the car, but we've been going at this for probably about an hour and a half at least. So we're going to wrap it up for today. This is going to be the end of the video. Here's the body kit, or the side skirt I guess, for right now. Right here. We still got a little bit to go right here. We just got to heat it up and then force it that way. I might use the panel bond right here. This whole line right here is looking pretty decent. It has a little bit to go. Obviously right now it's just kind of sitting on there, but this will be pushed up against it hopefully, and then we're gonna screw in some holes and put in that Mustang liner that goes on the inside. Over here, this is the biggest pain on this entire side skirt. This bending we have to do here, it has to go down. Oh! Alright guys, so in the next couple of videos, we are going to be continuing to hopefully get these brackets in with the, gosh, I always forget it. What is it? Panel bond adhesive. Yeah. Panel bond adhesive. Hopefully if we get that in the next video, we're going to go ahead and install those brackets. Also, on that side skirt over there, we're gonna try to drill in the holes and get that all ready for pretty much just slapping it on and then ready for paint. Also, please stay tuned, guys, because I have something special coming for this car. It doesn't have to do with the body kit. However, I think it's gonna look really good and I'm excited to do it. I've been wanting to do it for a while now, and I think it'll be just awesome to share with you guys. So stay tuned for that. You can see it's been a little bit of a pain, but we're gonna wrap it up for this video. So if you guys did enjoy it, let us know down in the comments below. Also, please like the video, that'd be awesome. And subscribe if you want to continue to help us along in this journey. If you see us doing anything stupid, let us know in the comments as well. Give us some tips, any pointers or anything. Also, we did do a lot different of an editing job on this video, as you guys will see. Let us know what you think about that, or if you think we should just keep it basic. I don't know, I thought it was kind of fun to edit it, but thank you guys for watching. Hopefully we continue to do this, and peace out.
See you.